Hello student. So today we are going to discuss regarding one particular scheme or Government of India's flagship scheme, that is Prime Minister GATI Shakti scheme. So first we need to understand what is all about it. Whenever actually you are walking across the road, you must have been seen there is one board is there and it is written work in progress, correct? But when you see there is a road is building, correct, government is building the road and that is national highway, and there is a state highways are there that is built by the state government. But sometimes you must have been seen national highways are there, state highways are there, but to connect the state highways to the local areas, to the local remote villages areas, they are not connected. So the people, those who are living nearby rural areas, they are not able to get the proper benefit of this particular infrastructural projects like roads. Sometimes you must have seen, for example, there is a fertilizer factory is there, government has built up the this fertilizer factories, but the linkage with the national gas pipeline not happening. Because of that, what happened, ki peoples are not able to enjoy the fruits of this fertilizer company, correct? So because of that, delay in the project used to happen, because of that, overrun of the cost used to happen. So it was happening because of less coordination happening between inter-department of government various levels, for example, at the central level, at the state level, or central to the state level or local level. For example, if you have seen ki today they have built the road and after 10 to 20 days you are observing or witnessing ki optical fiber peoples, they used to come, they used to dig the road, or solid waste management people, they used to come dig the roads. So this is why it is happening, because of lack of coordination. To avoid all these things, Government of India is coming with this particular scheme, that is Prime Minister GATI Shakti scheme. My name is Pawan Kant and this is Legacy IAS Academy. So now you are going to start with this particular topic. Now, what is this all about is actually? This is basically a national master plan for multimodal connectivity plan with the aim of coordinated plan and execution of infrastructure projects to bring down the logistical cost. That I told you, it is a multimodal connectivity plan, so that the coordination can be possible between different departments, different level of governments, so that infrastructural projects they can be built up as soon as possible, so that their cost can be reduced, so that we can save the taxpayers money. This actually project is a 100 lakh crore national infrastructure master plan that would provide a leap to Atmanirbhar Bharat and provide a multimodal connectivity to boost the infrastructure development of the country. This is the plan. This master plan basically will bring together total how many ministries? So this master plan is going to bring 16 total ministries together. How many ministries? Total 16 ministries and 7 core infrastructure sectors. 7 core infrastructure sectors, for example, railway, road, port, ship, airways. So 7 core infrastructure sectors, they will come on a single platforms, in order to synergize the project planning across the stakeholders, ministers, for avoiding duplications, plug gaps and expedite clearance at the right time. So this is the plan is actually. So to reduce the cost, to reduce the delay that is happening in completing the infrastructural projects, and that is the reason is this program or this scheme is very important schemes. This Pradhan Mantri Gati Shakti scheme basically launched with the aim of achieving 3 basic goals. What are those 3 basic goals are there? We need to understand. So what are those 3 basic goals are there? First is seamless multimodal connectivity for facilitating easy movement of goods and people. This is the first important goal. seamless multimodal connectivity for facilitating easy movement of goods and people. Second, improved prioritizations, optimal usage of resources, timely creations of capacities, and third is resolution of issues like disjointed planning. What is this disjointed planning? That means planning should not be done in silos. That means planning should not be done by particular ministry or department alone without consulting with other departments, because there also the stakeholders are there. For example, shipping ministry is going to build one port, but they are not actually have consulted with railways, with roads, with airways, because if these are not connected, if these are not the part of the plan, then all the stakeholders or especially the people of India, they will not going to enjoy the fruit of that port development. And that is the reason is resolutions of issues like disjointed planning, standardizations of clearance will happen, and this project actually would help the improvement of national infrastructure by lending them more money and providing them with more speed. Correct? So, this is the important scheme of Government of India, Prime Minister Gati Shakti scheme. So, you need to understand in brief, this scheme is going to remove the coordination problems that used to happen between different departments, different ministries, different levels like state and center at the local level. So, this particular scheme is going to remove all these things. This scheme will going to bring all the important sectors, especially infrastructural sectors, important ministries, 16 ministries on one single online platform, so that they can coordinate with each other, so that infrastructural projects can complete on time, cost can be saved. This is all about Prime Minister Gati Shakti scheme.